Congratulations! If you're watching this video, you found the Algebra 2 course page on Schoology. So with the first 2 weeks of school year being what they are, we're going to be using Schoology on all of our alternative learning days. The way that the course is going to work is at the top of the page, you're going to see daily plan and objectives like this. So for Tuesday, September 6, 2016. Which is the first day of school. It has directions of everything you need to do. It says click on all the links below and make sure to read each set of directions. Once you've completed all the tasks below, you're done with your work for the day, which means you're going to read the course syllabus. If you just click on that link, it'll pop open a new window on your screen. You'll get to the course syllabus. Mine's just taking a little while to load. There we go. It's just a Google Doc. Make sure you read through it. It has all my contact information, all the expectations for the course, late work, grade calculation, my behavior policy, homework policy, your grade breakdown, all that information, just so you are responsible for knowing what this document says. Then there's a read how to use Schoology for Algebra 2. It's another document I typed up just about what you're expected to be doing on the days when you are in class and the days when you are learning at home, and where to find all those different things for the days when you're learning at home. I'll be sending this home to your parents as well. You'll probably get a copy of it too, so you'll see this document a lot. The next one is make sure you can access the online textbook. So if you click that link, it takes you to another Google Doc we created. This Google Doc has the website for the online textbook. If you click here, it's taking a little while to load. Once you click on the link, there we go. It should take you to the textbook website, and then your username and password are on there. Algebra 2, Algebra 16. Make sure that algebra has a capital A. Basically, I just want you to make sure that you have access to the textbook. With the Chromebooks this year, I don't really see there you go, I couldn't remember the password. I don't really see the need for you guys to really be bringing your textbook to class unless you want to. Otherwise, I'm just going to expect that you can access it on your Chromebook. So I hit open book, pop open a new window again. This one has everything you need for your textbook. It's exactly your textbook, just the digital version of it. You've probably accessed this before. Just want to make sure that you know how to. Internet's a little slow here today. It's getting there. Okay, so basically it's divided up into chapters. The thing that you're going to want to know though is this page up here. It says cover, but maybe I assign you page 15 for your homework one night. If you type 15 into that box and hit enter, it'll bring you to page 15. You can scroll left and right using the 2 arrows up there, or on the edge of your screen, there's, and you can't see it right now with the window, but on the edge of your screen there's also a gray bar for the window. Do you see that gray bar right there? You can click that to move along in the pages as well. So that's one way to access your textbook at home. All right. Then the next thing I expect you to do is set up Remind notifications. Since you are not at school today, you can skip the next bullet. So you're going to set up Remind notifications. Basically, I'm going to use Remind to send you guys messages when a test is coming, or hey, maybe a question was really hard on the homework and nobody can figure out. Maybe it's a poorly worded question. I would send you guys a remind about that if I catch it. Or maybe, hey, remember that the project's due tomorrow, or your test is tomorrow. So you can you can do push notifications for a smartphone, or you can get text notifications if you don't have a smartphone. The next thing is the Get to Know You activity quiz that is listed under the upcoming column to the right of the screen. So here's your upcoming column. Any quizzes or assignments that you get, they will be posted in here as well as on the slides. And so you can click on the Get to Know You activity. I don't know why there's 2 of them. I'll fix that so there's only 1. So you're just taking one of these. It's just basically, here's what I can see on my end. Your end is going to look a lot more like this. Here we go. Just for your response, let me get to know you a little bit. So when's your birthday? What's something you like about math? Something you don't like about math? Are you involved in any extracurriculars? What's something I should know about you? And then 8 things I'd like you to rank in the importance they are in your life. So it shouldn't take you too long. All right, and if you're in and you finish it, you'll hit submit. I'm going to go back to the course though and leave this page. So basically, other things that you'll see is there's a black resources folder. This is where I just put other things like the Alg2 Remind Invite, the online textbook, the Get to Know You activity, and then you'll see things sorted as chapters. So chapter 1, there's only 2 things in right there, a electronic copy of your notes packet and a copy of the cumulative scale, which we'll talk about that. I'll also put homework assignments in there and things like that as well. But remember, you can get it in the chapter or you can get it on these slides up here. Do you want to bring that back to the first day? There you go. So that's the first day for those of you who are at home. Once you complete all of those tasks, so all the bullet points, then you are done for the first day. And it's going to work the same way on your days when you're not in school, your home learning days. You'll go on, you'll look at the slide, complete all the tasks on the slide, and then once you're done for the day. All right, so that's how you are going to be using Schoology the first few weeks.